In front of me is OnePlus 9 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access sounds and vibration. Then tap on this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Now tap on vibration intensity to adjust intensity of calls and alarms haptic feedback, and also messages and notifications. Then click on this darker area to go back. Now scroll down again to tap on ringtone. Click on vibration at the top and pick one of those patterns for your incoming calls. Disable vibration completely by hitting non-vibration or synchronize them with ringtone over here. Then go back again, scroll all the way down and click on haptics. To enable or disable system haptics, use this switcher at the top. If you decided to enable haptic feedback for touches, swipes and more, click on the switcher and adjust intensity of them thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!